जय श्रीमन्नारायण, जय जय श्रीमन्नारायण। राधे राधे। प्रिय भगवत बंधुओं, Hanuman's arrival now confirmed. When great gurus and sadhus, when they assign, when they second, when they resolve, then the things will fall in line. They start happening. Swamiji today blessed this place and he saw the Hanuman and ordered him to be here, and hence Hanuman will be here. A few of you might have visited our Statue of Equality in Hyderabad, right? There are 108 Divya Desas around Ramanuja Swamiji. Each one is a wonderful temple in some part of the country or some part of the world where Lord appeared in a specific form with a specific name. Not because God wanted that. You know why he is appearing like that in that specific form at that specific place? It is because some great guru, some great sadhu did penance and visualized the divine form of the Lord in that specific form and enjoyed a great deal, and then said, "Hey Lord, be here," like this. Because in the future era, future millennia, many devotees will be coming to this place, and when they come here, the place should not be empty, and you should be there. As you blessed me, please bless those coming devotees also here in this form. I pray to you. When those great sages, they requested the Lord to be like that in that specific place to please them, those who come on behalf of that great Guru. He wanted to appear in the same form, and that became a Divya Desa. Sadhus in different forms, right? From different parts, belong to different castes, different races, and different colors, different languages. Even there are great sadhus like Murukandu. Murukandu actually was like a frog. And he came and he experienced the grace of Lord and requested him, "Hey Lord, can you be here in this form so that whoever come here, they will get your grace as I was blessed by you." And God obeyed that. God obeys always the instructions of sadhus. Our Swamiji, Pujya Mukundananda Swamiji came here and blessed Hanuman. "Hey Hanuman, be here like this." That's done. Swamiji came here 2 years before when nothing was here. But now Swamiji came here to instruct Hanuman to be here. There is a nice saying in Sanskrit, Siddhir bhavati va neti samseyaha achyuta sevinam. We want success in all our endeavors, right? Anybody wants success. But how do we get success? Sometimes our projects may be small, sometimes they may be big. And when we take big tasks, then we always scared. How can I get success in this project? How I come out of this, making it a successful presentation to the society, which we call as Siddhi. But how do we get Siddhi? And when the project goes big and bigger, then we go to the big Lord and ask for His grace so that the activity will be completed properly. But do you think that God will be able to bless? He will be able to, because He is Sarvajna and Sarvasikti also. He is able to do anything and He knows everything also. But again, you understand, there are limitations even to God. He cannot do everything. He can do certain things to His capacity, but few things are not in His capacity. As Swamiji rightly mentioned, aptly mentioned, of course he always mentions anything aptly. And Swamiji said, Hanuman went in search of Sita and he found her, returned with that information to Ramachandra, right? And before Hanuman, Rama thought that I can do anything and I can do everything because I myself is Lord Narayana incarnate. He thought so. And then he, along with his brother Lakshmana, went round and round and in search of Sita, but he did not find Sita there at all. And he went to so many places and he searched so many caves, mountains, valleys. Every place he searched for Sita, but he did not get Sita at all. Because God has certain limitations, you know. We think that God is Sarvajnaha, Sarvasiktihi, but, you know, He is also poor in certain things. He has to depend upon the sadhus and gurus, you know. Rama was able to understand that Guru's grace is very, very important. And without Guru's grace, things are impossible. He realized that after seeing Sabari. Because Sabari was a hunter lady, totally illiterate, not knowing any karma yoga, no jnana yoga, no bhakti yoga, no prapatti, no surrender, nothing. She was so humble and dedicated to her gurus. Gurus instructed Sabari to take care of Rama and then only come to us. They said so. And 100% she believed in it. She waited and waited and waited. 13 years, 1 month. She was staying there in ashram for the arrival of Rama. Rama came to ashram and then she took Rama in a tour around the ashram and showed the greatness of her own guru, She did not praise Rama. And she did not say anything else. She said, "Hi Rama, you came at last. I was waiting since long. Come on, I want to take in a tour. And I'd like to show you the greatness of my Guru. Are you ready?" Rama thought she may offer a cup of coffee because he's coming all the way, walking, and she may offer something that was his expectation, but she did not offer anything. "Rama, come on. I love to show you certain things of my great gurus." And she took Rama to the Puja Mandir, where the flowers are afresh, offered by her gurus before the deities. 13 years before, they look still so fresh, as if they are just plucked and brought there. Rama was so surprised to see that. You understood this, right, Rama? Come on. And he did not ask her, and she did not leave any room to ask questions also. She was a big taskmaster, looks like. And then she says, "Come on, I would like to show you something else." She took her to a place where her gurus used to dry their clothes. They were hanging on a wood, a piece of wood. They were still wet. These are the cloths kept here by my gurus 13 years before. And you understood the greatness of my gurus, right?
Chốn này hoặc trên đất liền hoặc hư không thường đối người đời sanh từ tâm này đem từ mình nưa pháp ở nguyện cao thế giới tượng an ổn bước đi vô biên lời quần sanh bao nhiêu tội nghiệp tẩy tiêu trừ. Năng dùng giới hương xoa vòng trang hương diên định phục để chớp tăng hoa màu bồ đề cẩm trang.
Yeah, some devatas want to sing something along with us. And then she took Rama to the Homasala, to the Yagasala, where her gurus used to offer havan every day. It was still burning. "Rama, I did not add any twigs here. This is what my gurus were doing every day. I just was taking care, that's all. This is the greatness of my gurus. And I want to show you something else. My gurus used to go around the world to take bath in sacred rivers. But when they turned old, they were not able to go and asked those rivers to come to the ashram. All the rivers came to our ashram and they formed as a wonderful pond. See that pond? Rama looked at that pond and it was so crystal clear water. No dust, no dirt. Everything is so pure. And this is the water where our gurus used to take shower, take bath in this pond. And sanctified is this water. Rama just sprinkled on his head and came out of that and said, "Rama, are you happy? Whatever I showed you so far, you understood everything, right? The greatness of my Guru? And are you happy really with me?" What can we do? If some guest comes to our house and then we ask them, "You finished your lunch, right?" What should they say? "Yes, I did." They may be expecting that they serve something. Rama was expecting something to serve, but she did not. "Are you happy, Rama?" "Okay, I am happy." Write it on a paper that I am happy with the sabari. And my time is up. I have to leave. And I have to reach my Guru's lotus feet. Padamulam gamishyami. Yanaham paryacharisham. Whomever I worshipped as my Guru, I want to reach that lotus feet of those Gurus. But I need your permission. Because my Guru said, take care of Rama and then come. So I took care of you by showing the greatness of my Gurus, right? Please put it on a piece of paper so that I can show it to my Gurus that I did something. And then Rama wrote it on a piece of paper. Pujitaha Ramaha. Rama was worshipped. She took the piece of paper and said, Rama looked, you did not go to any school. Why? While writing, write properly. Ramaha Pujitaha, by whom? And how? Oh, I thought you are an illiterate guy. Of course I am illiterate, no problem. Come on, write it properly. He took the piece of paper and again wrote, Sebariya Pujitaha Ramaha. He took the paper again and said, you need to write a document properly. So and so, son of so and so, write that also. And he took the paper and said, Sebariya Pujitaha Ramaha Dasaradhatmajaha, son of Dasaradha, Rama, worshipped by Sebari. Rama, are you not really happy with my puja to you? She did not do any puja. She told the greatness of her Guru, that's all. Are you not really happy with my puja? No, I'm really, really happy. Commonly, as Americans say, when you show something, so beautiful, so wonderful, they say. They mean it is a kind of expression. Rama said, no, I'm really, really happy. Write that also on piece of paper. Then Rama thought, my God, I thought she is an illiterate, but not she. I am an illiterate guy. And then he took and said, Sebariya Pujitaha Samyak. Samyak Ramaha Dasaradhatmaja. Valmiki mentions this. And he gave the piece of paper. She put it in her pocket and said, Rama, now permit me. I leave this place. I need not give any kind of Shakti or tapas to you. Thank you very much. I have enough with me. Please, you say yes and I leave this place. Rama was a bit of surprised and wanted to see what exactly going to happen. And he said, okay. She created yogic fire and dropped her mortal coil, and a Pushpaka Vimana has come and took Sebari into that, and she left to the abode of her Gurus, saying, bye-bye. Then Rama realized, my grace is immaterial. Grace of Gurus made Sebari to reach that abode. I thought I am great, but now I have realized I need a Guru. Now I need a mentor, a guide for me to make a search for Sita. Who will be there? Who will come for my rescue? Rama was just so much worried in finding a Guru. Then came Hanuman. Valmiki writes so beautifully in the first sarga of Ramayanam. When Rama reached Pampa, a small creek nearby. Then Hanuman came to talk or to give a message of Sugriva. That was the first encounter. When he met with Hanuman, Valmiki says, Ha, Pampa Tire Hanumata Sangataha Vanarena Ha. Now Rama was in safe hands of Hanuman. When Hanuman met with Rama and Rama was consoled and he confirmed, now I got a nice guru for me. I can now find Sita through this guru. That is what exactly happened later. That Hanuman went, found Sita and gave the message to Rama. So my friends, even Rama may be God incarnate, but he needed the grace of a guru. Without guru, no siddhi. Siddhir bhavati va neti. Whether we get success or not, samseyaha, there is always a doubt remains for those achyuta sevinam who surrender to God. But na samseyosti, for those there will be no doubt at all. Tad bhakta paricharya ratatmanam, those who surrender to the devotees of Lord, and if we approach those gurus, no doubt at all, we get always success. Now we got a wonderful Maharaj, or Mukundananda Swamiji Maharaj. And then he saw the Hanuman and said, yes, be here. Be here for the people here. Be here for the people of the world. Done. Now Hanuman will be here. And now his muhurtam is fixed for his permanent abode. That means he got what do you call that? Permanent visa? Not a green card. Yeah, permanent citizenship. Hanuman came here, and Hanuman is going to be with us whenever there are great gurus, great sadhus. Be with us and bless us and shower their grace on those places. Those places become divine. They become tirthas. They become kshetras. And now this Ashtalakshmi temple became a tirtha, a kshetra. We are so happy that Puja Swami Mukundananda ji came here. And as Swamiji mentioned, that we found a very humble, scholarly, but very lovely and friendly brother. Rama says in Ramayana, when Lakshmana fell sick, because Ravana threw Sikti barn on Lakshmana, and Lakshmana fell down, and no clue how to bring him back. And Rama was just crying and crying and crying, because no one is there to save them. No doctors, no hospitals. So he was just in much pain. And he says, Dese Dese Kalatrani. Whenever you go around the world, you may get anybody. But getting a brother is not possible. Getting a right brother is not possible. Now who will give my brother back to me? I may get Sita. I may get many others. But getting a brother is very, very difficult. Today, Swamiji made us his brother and he became our brother. And we are highly delighted and privileged, Swamiji, by your divine presence. Swamiji accepted actually to be here today and also tomorrow morning when the consecration takes place at 9 o'clock in the morning. Swamiji said that he is otherwise busy with activities during the evening time. Tomorrow, morning consecration will take place, but evening the dedication of the statue to the world will take place. And Swamiji said, evening because the program is there, so I may not be able to make it. But we requested Swamiji to be here because the laser show will be there. It's not so big and great, but a small presentation will be there. And that also will be after sunset only at 9 o'clock. And Swamiji said, that program completes at 9 there. I said, doesn't matter. If Swamiji is able to make it, we just postpone the laser show, because when there is a mic in our hands, until we stop, that won't start, right? So Swamiji, the program goes on up to 9:20 here, doesn't matter. And then we go there for the presentation when you will be here. And Swamiji, with all kindness, he agreed to be here approximately around 9:20. But doesn't matter whatever the time may be. Whenever Swamiji arrives, that is the right time. And we will have the evening, that program. Till then, of course, the dais is here. It will manage the things. And when Swamiji arrives, and that is the right muhurtam to have the show there on the statue. So we are so happy, Swamiji, that you have accepted to be here and during the evening function also tomorrow, and make it full. Otherwise, ये तो अधूरा रह जाएगा. तो अधूरा नहीं रखना है. ये स्वामी जी का प्रेम और उनका प्यार है. तो हम बहुत बहुत आनंद पा रहे हैं स्वामी जी का आगमन के बारे में कल सायंकाल का कार्यक्रम में सुनकर. Let us all give a big round of gratitude and by saying Jai Sriman Narayan, Jai Sriman Narayan, बोल भजरंग बली की, पवन सुत हनुमान की, स्वामी जी महाराज की, आज की आनंद की. जय जय श्रीमान नारायण. राधे राधे. जय श्रीमान नारायण.